Are you also running an organic store and want your customers to get the product details and place orders automatically via WhatsApp? Then I have bought an amazing WhatsApp chatbot for you. So hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly. So in this video we are going to learn how to create WhatsApp chatbot for your organic product store. And I'm going to build this WhatsApp chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow, which is going to automate order placing for the organic products. So firstly in this video, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. Now if a user will send a message, an automatic reply will be sent to them. So if you also want to create this WhatsApp chatbot, then let me take you towards my screen. Welcome to my screen. So let's start building this WhatsApp chatbot for organic store. So right here on my screen you can see this is the structure format of the flow which I have created for creating chatbot for my organic store. And now I am going to show you how you can create this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your own business or your own store. So now let's start building this, but before that I am going to show you the real working of this WhatsApp chatbot which I have already built in. So for testing this WhatsApp chatbot, let's move on towards my WhatsApp with me. So here I'm landed to my WhatsApp, and now let's say I'm the customer who want to make a purchase for the organic product. So here I'm going to send a message to the number which I have already connected to my Pabbly Chatflow account, and let's say this is my business number, and here this number is saved as test number. So here I'm going to send a message that is organic store, and I have added this message as a keyword on my flow. Now you might be thinking, what is this keyword? So I am going to answer it while creating the flow of our chatbot. So here you can see as I have entered this message, my WhatsApp chatbot has been triggered and we are getting a welcome message which says, welcome to Pure and Fresh Organics, your one-stop place for healthy, chemical-free product delivered with love. How can I help you today? And here we are getting a button that is browse products. So now let's select this button, and as I have selected this button, I am getting the list of the organic collections. So now let's open this list and check the organic products. So here you can see I'm getting some of the categories of the product. So now let's say I'm going to select this first category, that is organic vegetables, and as I have selected this category, I'm getting the categories of the organic vegetables again in the form of list. So now let's open this list and check the organic vegetables. So here you can see I'm getting two options with the name of the vegetable and its pricing. So now let's say I'm going to select this first product, that is fresh carrots, and as I have selected this option, I'm getting a message which is asking me to enter the quantity which I would like to order. So now let's say I'm going to enter my quantity as 1 kg. So here I'm going to enter it, and as I have provided the quantity, I'm getting a message which says, perfect, you selected fresh carrots 1 kg. So now you can see that I'm getting the same product and the same quantity which I have recently selected or entered. And now we are getting two buttons, that is yes, place order, and cancel. So now I'm going to select this button, that is yes, place order. And as I have selected this, I am getting a message which is asking me to enter my full name. So now I am going to enter my full name as demo user. So now let's provide it. And as I have entered my full name, I am getting a message which is asking me to enter my delivery address. So now I am going to enter my delivery address over here. So now let's enter it. And as I have provided my delivery address, I am getting a thank you message or the confirmation message which says your order has been placed successfully. Here are the details. And here I am getting the same product name which I have recently selected, the quantity which I have recently entered, and the delivery address which I have just provided. So now you can see that how easily my WhatsApp chatbot is working. So you can also create an amazing WhatsApp chatbot like this for your own organic store and automate your orders. So now let's start building this, and for that you have to access Pabbly Chatflow, and for accessing the Pabbly Chatflow you just have to type its URL over the new tab, that is pabbly.com/chatflow, and once you will enter the URL, you will be getting the landing page of Pabbly. And here you can see we are getting two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user, you can simply click over this sign up free, but if you are an existing user, you can simply click over this sign in. And if you sign up your account for free over the Pabbly Chatflow, you get 100 free credits every month for practicing Pabbly Chatflow. But before moving on forward, I am going to tell you about Pabbly community. So here you can see this is the page of Pabbly community where automation users, marketers and business owners gather to share their ideas, ask questions and get relevant update regarding using the Pabbly applications. So you can also join Pabbly community now and grow your business with us. And if you wish to join the Pabbly community, you can find link in the description given below. Now let's move on to my Pabbly chat flow again for creating our WhatsApp chatbot. So here you can see I'm landed to my Pabbly chat flow, and now I'm going to simply click over this sign in, and once you finish your sign up you will be getting this all Pabbly apps page where you can see these are the products provided by Pabbly. And as we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot, we have to access Pabbly chat flow for that. So now let's click over this access now button and we will be landed to the dashboard page of Pabbly chat flow, which can be seen here. And on this dashboard page you can see these are the numbers I have connected to my account. And if you also want to add your WhatsApp number, you simply have to go to add WhatsApp number button, and here you can see we are getting two options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. So if you want to integrate your WhatsApp number, you can simply click over this WhatsApp Connect, and if you want to connect with token number, you can simply click over this Manual Token Connect. And if you want to learn more about adding WhatsApp number to the Pabbly Chatflow account, then you can find video link in the description given below. Now moving on to the sidebar, you can see these are the features provided by Pabbly. And as we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot, we firstly have to create flows for that. So for that you simply have to click over the flows given on the sidebar. And if you want to learn more about these remaining features, you can find video link in the description given below. So now let's click over the flows. And here we are landed to this flow builder page. And if you want to create your own flow, you simply have to click over this add flow button and you will be landed to this flow page where we are getting this option for providing the flow names. So now let's provide a name to our flow here. So here I am providing it the name WhatsApp chatbot for your organic product store, and afterwards we are getting this option for trigger. Now you might be thinking, what is this trigger? So trigger is the action which is going to initiate your WhatsApp chatbot. And now on this trigger we are getting many trigger events such as keyword rejects match, user starts conversation, template selected and many more. But here I am going to keep it as the same, that is keyword rejects match. Now you might be thinking, what is this keyword and rejects? So keywords are the words which initiate your WhatsApp chatbot. Now let's say I want to initiate my WhatsApp chatbot as soon as someone enters a message consisting of the word organic store. So now you might have remember what I have done while testing my WhatsApp chatbot, and that's the same. And for making a word your keyword, you just have to type that word. And now let's say I'm going to type this word, that is organic store, and press the enter key. And here our one keyword is ready which can initiate your WhatsApp chatbot. And afterwards we are getting this option for regex. So regex is basically the short form for the regular expression. These are used for the specific user input. And if you want to trigger any message, you can enter regex like this. But here, as I've already added my keyword, I will be removing this regex from here. Now as we are done with our trigger, I am going to send a welcome message to my customers. So for that you simply have to drag and drop and select text button over here. And in this text button node, I am going to enter a welcome message for my customers. So here you can see I have entered this welcome message for my customers, and now I am going to add some buttons to this message node. So for that you simply have to click over this add button, and here you have to enter the text of your button. So now I am going to enter the text of my button here. So here you can observe that I have created my button. Now if my user select this button, that is browse products, I am going to provide them list of the categories of the product. So for providing the list, we just have to drag and drop and select list over here, and in this list node I am going to enter a body for my list, and here it is asking for the header, body and footer as well. So now let's enter the body and create a list. So here I have provided a body to my list. Now I am going to add some items to this list. So for adding the item, we firstly have to create a section, and for creating the section we simply have to click over this add section, and here you have to enter the section title. So here I am going to enter my section title as category, and afterwards I am going to add some items to this section. So for that you simply have to click over this add items, and here you have to enter the title, and if you want you can even enter the description as well. And now I am going to enter the title of my first item. So here you can see that I have created the first item of my list, that is organic vegetables. Now likewise I am going to add some more items to this list, and you can add many items to your list. So here you can see I have added two more items to my list, that is organic fruits and organic oils. So with this we have successfully created a list of the categories of the product provided by my organic store. Now I want to save the response which my users select. So for that we have to provide contact custom field to all these list items, as contact custom field help us to store extra information. And for providing the contact custom field you just have to go to actions, and here you can see we are getting this option for set custom field, which you have to select or drag, and you will be getting this contact custom field action node. Now I am going to connect this first item, that is organic vegetables, or this first category with this node, and now here it is asking me to select the contact custom fields which can be seen here. And if you want to create your own contact custom field you just have to go to settings, and here you can see this option, that is contact custom fields, which you have to select. But before that you have to save this flow by simply selecting this save button so that you don't lose your data. And as you will select this contact custom fields, you will be landed to the contact custom fields which I have already opened. And here you can see we are landed to this page, and these are the contact custom fields I have created. And if you want to create your own contact custom field you simply have to click over this add more field button, and here you have to provide the field name, and at last you simply have to click over this save button and your contact custom field will be created. But as I have already created my contact custom field I will be selecting it over in this node. So here I am going to select my contact custom field as category. So here I have selected it, and now it is asking me to enter the value. So here you have to enter the value for which you are creating this contact custom field. And as you know we are creating this contact custom field for this first list item or the first category. So here I have entered the same value. Now I am going to provide contact custom field to remaining list item as well. So here you can see I have provided contact custom field category to this second item, that is organic fruits, and for the third item as well, that is organic oils. Now if my user selects any of these list items, I want to provide the list of the products under that particular category. So for providing the list, you know the process very well, that you just have to drag and drop and select list over here. And now on this list node I am going to add some items or the products for this particular category, that is organic vegetables. So for that I am going to provide the body to my list, and afterwards I am going to add the section title and add some items to this list or add some products of that respective category. So now let's create our another list here. So here you can see for the organic vegetables, I have created this list having the body organic vegetables, and here I have provided the section title vegetables, and I have added two items to this list, that is fresh carrots, and in the description box I have provided the pricing of this product. And the next I have entered this another product, that is cucumbers, where I have provided the pricing in the description. So with this we have successfully created the list of the products for the organic vegetable. Now I am going to provide the list of the products for these another categories, that is organic fruits and organic oils. So now let's create our another list as well. So here you can see I have created this another list for the organic fruits, where I have provided my section title as fruits, and here I have entered two items, that is apple and orange, with its pricing in the description box. And I have created this third list for the organic oils product, and here I have provided the section title oils, and here I have added two items, that is A2 Desi Ghee and Raw Forest Honey, and on the description box I have provided its pricing. Now again I am going to provide contact custom field to all these list items so that I can save the response or get the response. So for providing the contact custom field you just have to go to the set custom field again and provide the contact custom field to all these list items, and here I am going to provide the contact custom field, that is product. So now let's provide contact custom field to all these list items. So here you can see I have provided this contact custom field product for this first item of the first category, that is for the vegetables, and here I have provided the contact custom field product to the second item, that is cucumbers as well, and afterwards I have provided contact custom field product for this first item of the second category, that is apple, and second item, that is orange. And here I have provided the contact custom field product for this first item of this third category, that is organic oils, and the second product of the last category, that is raw forest honey. So with this we have successfully provided contact custom field to all these products of the particular categories. Now if my user selects any of these products from the categories, I'm going to ask a question from them regarding the quantity they want to buy. So for that you just have to go to the action again, and here you can observe this option, that is ask question. So you just have to select it, and now I'm going to connect all these contact custom field nodes with this question node so that my user can be redirected to this question node as soon as they select product from any of these categories. Now on this question node I am going to enter a question asking for the quantity which my customer want to buy. So here I have connected all these, and now let's enter our question over here. So here you can see I have entered this question asking for the quantity, and here I am going to select my contact custom field as quantity, which can be seen here, and now I am going to select my format as any. Now if my user will provide me the quantity, I am going to provide them a message for confirming the order. So for that you just have to drag and drop and select text button over here, and in this text button note I am going to enter a message in a personalized way asking for the confirmation of my customer. So here you can see I have entered this message which says perfect, you selected dollar product and dollar quantity. So now you might be thinking, what is this dollar product and dollar quantity? So these both specifies the contact custom field which I have recently selected in this question, that is quantity, and for all these items, that is product. Now as soon as my user will select any of these product, the response will be replaced in this message, and as soon as they will provide me the quantity, the response will be also replaced in the message. And by this way we are going to send personalized message to our customers. And here I have created two buttons, that is yes place order and cancel. Now if my user select this yes place order, I am going to ask them another questions regarding placing the order, and if my user select this button, that is cancel, I am going to provide them a thank you message. So now let's ask some more questions for placing the order. So now again let's move on towards the action and select ask question. So here you can see I have entered this first question where I am asking for the full name, and here I have selected my contact custom field as full name and the format as any, and the last question where I am asking for the delivery address, and here I have selected my contact custom field as address and the format as any. Now if my user will provide me the answer of both these questions, I am going to provide them a thank you or the confirmation message. So for that you just have to drag and drop and select text button over here, and in this text button node I am going to enter a confirmation or the thank you message. So here you can see I have entered this thank you message which says your order has been placed successfully, here are the details. And here I have selected the contact custom field, that is product, quantity and address for sending personalized message. So with this we have successfully created a message if my user place an order. Now if my user select this cancel button, I am going to provide them a thank you message. So now let's drag and drop and select text button, and now let's enter a thank you message here. So here you can see I have provided this thank you message if my user select this button, that is cancel. So with this we have successfully created our flow for organic store. Now I am going to save this flow by simply selecting the save button, and here you can see we are receiving this pop-up which says flow updated successfully, means we have successfully saved our flow. Now for showing you how we are receiving message from our customers and how we are sending them the automated reply, let me take it towards my inbox section. So for that you simply have to click over the inbox given on the sidebar, and you will be landed to this inbox page where on this particular number you can see I am successfully receiving message from my customers and our automated replies are successfully sent or delivered to them. So now you have seen in this video that how you can create an amazing WhatsApp chatbot for automating order placing for your own organic store. So now you can also create a WhatsApp chatbot like this, and you can even share the flow which you have created. And for sharing the flow you just have to move to the flow builder page again, and here you can see this is the chatbot chatbot which I have recently created. So here I am going to select three dots of the flow, and here you can see this option, that is share flow, which you have to select, and you will be getting this flow link. So you can share this flow link with your friends so that they can also automate their all tasks and know about this amazing automation tool, that is Pabbly Chatflow. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Chatflow now and stay tuned to our YouTube channel for learning more about Pabbly and creating many more amazing chatbots like this. And if this video is really helpful, then hit the like and subscribe button, and I have added the link of the flow which I have recently created in the description box for your reference, so make sure to check it out. So thank you for watching this video. So you can create many more chatbots like this by using Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any doubt, you can mail us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can write it on forums.pabbly.com. But if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the URL given over here. So start using Pabbly Chatflow for free now.